In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Slack notifications. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can tailor your notification settings to fit your preference. Whether you're getting overwhelmed by too many alerts or missing important messages, these adjustments will let you manage how and when Slack pings you. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First, access Slack either via its app or through your web browser. Simply open it up and you'll land on the sign-in page. Here, you have a couple of options to get logged in. You can enter your email, and Slack will guide you through the sign-in process, or, for a more streamlined approach, use your Google or Apple account if they're linked to your Slack. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace, which is the hub of all your communications. Next, navigate to the top right corner of the workspace, where your profile photo is located. Give it a click. This is your gateway to personalizing Slack to meet your needs. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to find and click on Preferences. This area holds all the keys to customizing your notification experience. Under the Preferences section, look out for the Notifications tab. Here you can fine-tune what you're informed about. You might choose to be notified about all new messages, which is great if you want to stay on top of every conversation. Alternatively, you can limit notifications to just direct messages, mentions, and keywords, thereby reducing the noise and focusing only on messages meant directly for you. Of course, there's also the option to turn off notifications entirely if you really want some peace and quiet. Another nifty option available is setting different notification specifications for your mobile devices. This can be particularly useful if you need to maintain accessibility on the go while preserving some offline time on your desktop app. Tweak your mobile settings so notifications suit your on-the-move lifestyle. Slack also offers the ability to notify you when a huddle starts in any of your channels or when someone replies to a thread you're following. This means you won't miss out on real-time conversations or updates important to you. One feature under the Notifications tab you won't want to miss is the My Keywords section. Here, you have the power to specify certain keywords that will trigger a notification. This ensures you only get pinged for topics that are crucial to your role or project, enhancing productivity and minimizing disruptions. Lastly, at the bottom of the Notifications menu, you can manage when these alerts reach you. Specify the days, dates, and times you'd like notifications to start and stop. By defining a schedule, you ensure you're only disturbed during working hours, maintaining a healthy work-life balance. And there you have it, a full tour of Slack's notification customization options. By taking these steps, you can tailor Slack's alerts to perfectly fit your workflow, making sure you're both connected and undisturbed just when you need to be. Thanks for watching.